Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making this gorgeous coffee buttercream. This is a great ingredient for either filling or for covering a cake. I've left the butter out to get to room temperature before I've begun, and now I'm giving it a good whisk so that it creams beautifully. It's soft and ready to take the icing sugar. And I'm going to work it in by hand first of all. This is so that when I use the whisk, it does not go all over the place. Here we go. Let's work that in gently. Now it's really cold in my kitchen today, so it's not as creamy as it usually is. And I'm also using less butter because I know I'm going to use a little bit of liquid in here today to get that great coffee flavour. Now the only thing to make coffee buttercream really flavoursome is using espresso coffee powder. Now I've put the coffee powder into a little bit of boiling water just to brew slightly, but it's really strong, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this. In with the first one, and let's work it round. You can see already that lovely coffee colour coming. There we go. And there's the second tablespoon. And give it a really good whiz. Now that's softened it up quite nicely. And it's ready now to take the rest of the icing sugar. So let's sieve that in. And again, first of all, work it in by hand before it gets whisked. And in with 2 more tablespoons of that lovely brewed espresso powder. I'll be using this delicious buttercream in next week's recipe. So cheerio for now, have a great week, and I'll catch you soon.